All right, folks, I'm back with another beautiful, gorgeous 2015 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive with only 116,000 miles. Former highway patrol vehicle, original silver from factory. The paint looks great. It does have some minor little scratches here and there. They are hardly noticeable, but they are there. Whatever I do see, I'm gonna point it out as I walk my way around the vehicle. Once again, original silver from factory. This vehicle has been completely serviced, detailed, and she is in immaculate running condition and shape, ready to go to her new home. Fresh new window tint. When the vehicle first arrived, there was no window tint. So I took this to my tent guy and had him redone. And we went with a medium shade, so it's not too dark, not too light, and you can kind of see right through. Folks, before I forget, I got to tell you, I did have the roof of the vehicle painted to cover the 4 holes that it had on the roof. I wanted to go with only 2 antennas on the back, and those are the ones on the trunk lid right there. Those are the actual antennas. So if you have to take your car to an express car wash, those antennas are going to be solid. They're going to stay put. They won't go anywhere. As you guys can see, I do have backup sensors and I do have a backup camera with this vehicle. There you go. They're completely solid. I wanted to give this car a different look, so I gave it a different look that I wanted. So here she is. Folks, the paint looks great. The car drives amazing. I'm actually driving this car around myself in town, and I want to make sure that everything is in working order, and she is finally ready to go. With that being said, folks, you want to stay tuned when we go under the service and we go under the hood, so I can talk to you and let you know what we did. All right, as you guys can see, I do have a new set of takeoff tires by Goodyear's Eagles RSA. When the car first got here, the tires were not acceptable, so I went ahead and I threw in a semi-new set of takeoffs right there. They're about 95% thread. Along with that, I went ahead and had the all 4 steel wheels reconditioned, so they do look new again. There you go, folks. Brand new rubber, new set of takeoffs with a nice reconditioned steel wheel. The hubcaps and the lug nuts are new. Yes, it costs money to get all this look happening right there. I'm sorry guys, I'm falling behind, but I have so much ground to cover that I'm stumbling within my own thoughts. One working spotlight. I do have clear lights and lenses on the front. All right, folks, if you guys have any questions as you're watching this video, please feel free to give me a call or text me. Serious inquiries only, please. I'm gonna backtrack here, folks. One little nip right here on the front grill, front bumper cover. Car got here like that, but other than that, the car looks solid. All right, let's go inside because the clock is ticking and I got a lot of ground to cover here for you guys. I'm sure you guys are gonna be excited to hear everything on this vehicle. Thanks again for staying with me here. All right, here we go. Folks, I do have a vinyl leather type rear seat. All seat belts and buckles are in place. Vinyl flooring in perfect shape. Door locks and switches were reinstalled back into the vehicle. So yes, if you do have passengers in the back seat, they'll be able to exit the vehicle from the back seat themselves. Super nice door panels here. Driver's side seat is in great condition. Passenger side seat, I don't think nobody ever sat there. All right, and I think somebody's going out. All right, folks, I'm gonna have to bring this video to a complete halt because somebody is moving and I need to get out of the way. Let me see if I can keep recording here. Alright folks, here you go. The vehicle does have 116,000 miles. YouTube, I do not own the rights to the song. Please do not turn off my video. Everything does work. Nice and cold air conditioner. I do have red LED, white LED. Honk works. Alright. Let me get back to it here. Let me backtrack. I think I can make it happen. I do have a backup camera, guys. It's right there. Backup cameras and sensors do work. Multitasking right here today. Woo-wee. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The car is super solid. She's very fast, very strong. You do have the all-wheel drive option, so you got traction in all four wheels, folks. No BS. This is it right here. Everything does work, and I believe it does have a factory built-in Bluetooth cruise control. Does work. AC is nice and cold. I do have manuals and other additional wires inside the box, the glove box that came with the vehicle. Let's go ahead and step it up and go to the back. And oh, spotlight does work. Spotlight does work. It's a regular Unity bulb right there. I've ordered a new one, so I'm gonna have that one put on in there. I'm gonna do it myself. Let's step it up here. Sorry guys, sorry. This is the trunk, folks. Do not worry. I do have the a full matching spare tire and wheel that I ordered on eBay. I ordered everything separately. The only thing the car came with was the floor jack and the hold down pen. That is it. One little tear right there from the equipment, and that's usually where the equipment box goes, so there's always going to be a little tear right there. Let's close this up. LEDs do work. All right, I'm making perfect timing, folks. From that department, before I forget, I do have brand new rear brakes and rotors and brand new front brakes and rotors. Once again, courtesy of the Highway Patrol. I didn't do that, nor spend extra money on that. Thankfully, I was able to put money someplace else, and I think you're gonna be super stoked, super happy. Alright, here we go. The engine is super quiet. There's no ticking noise. There is no top end noise. There is nothing. Folks, when I first bought this vehicle, description stated runs rough. I had already prepared myself, and I was under the impression that the car had a bad engine. And yes, it did have a bad engine. So with that being said, I bought the vehicle, brought it home, and serviced the whole shebang. You got the whole nine here, folks. So starting right to left, you got a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out, along with the new used engine that I bought on eBay with 51,000 miles. I got a full synthetic 520 oil change and filter. Transmission was completely serviced with ATF4 fluid and filter by Mopar. I do have 16 new Iranian spark plugs. Folks, I also have a brand new Mopar thermostat. I do have a new water pump along with that. What else? Am I forgetting anything? The battery, actually the battery came with the vehicle, so I didn't have to replace any batteries, thankfully. Am I forgetting anything else? Oh yes, cabin filter was replaced, and I also performed a BG fuel system treatment on the actual engine to clean out all the gunk and dirt out of the fuel lines and whatnot. So I wanted to make sure the car was solid and she's not gonna give us any headaches. So folks, I have been driving the car. Everything is green light, so everything is communicating, and she is rocket solid. All right, folks, here we go. 116,000 miles. Vehicle does have a brand new used engine with 51,000 miles that I was able to buy on eBay, and everything is working just as good as new. So folks, you got yourself a brand new whole complete vehicle here with nothing for you to do. Nothing. Rear differential was also checked with the transfer cases, and they are full and did not need any top up whatsoever. All right, folks, one last final look as the clock is winding down on me. All right, folks, here we go. If you guys have any questions, comments, please feel free to give me a call, text me, email me with any questions you may have. And if you are interested in buying the car, please feel free to call me. Do not hesitate. I'm not sure how long this vehicle is going to stay online, so if you see something you like, please call me. Let's make a deal, okay? Once again, this is a 2015 Dodge Charger with 116,000 miles, former highway patrol vehicle, fully serviced, detailed, and with a brand new used engine with 51,000 miles. And yes, folks, I do have the receipts for it. Oh yeah, believe me, I do have the receipts. All right, folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. I'd like to thank you for staying with me for these 12 minutes. You guys have yourself a blessed week. Please be safe. Thank you, and God bless.